guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we talk about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, we will going to talk about the top 20 amazing ways to make money online as an artist, as a creative person, as a designer. It's completely for newbie and beginners, and also for the intermediate who are looking forward to make money online. So let's dive in. Before go back, consider clicking the like button, guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we will gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. You can support me and my channel on the Patreon. The link is in description box below. You're gonna get early access to my YouTube videos, keyword list, niche ideas. A lot more is there in the Patreon. Make sure to check it out, the Patreon. The link is in description box below. To talk about, guys, recently we got registered in the state of New Mexico, United States. So we got registered, and then I actually rebranded my 3 of the channels. Like, our finance is now converted into the GLOBO Divine, the Easy Tech were converted into the GLOBO Creative, Easy Digital converted into the Articulatory Digital. So I'm actually rebranded the 3 of my channels because we recently got registered in the state of New Mexico, United States, and that's really interesting and amazing. So I rebranded them. So that is the main information. I think I've been missing this information. I had a talk with one of the viewer of my YouTube channel. They were asking me why my channel name has been changed on the digital and finance and the digital, what's its link between them. Then I actually replied to them and said that we recently got registered, so we rebranded the stuffs and we rebranded a lot of the stuff. About the top 20 ways to make money online as a creative person, as an artist. Now I have my entire list on this diary, so I'm going to be talking about that. And also, guys, I'm not going to go into each and every single detail about these ideas to make money online, because otherwise the video will going to go too long, and I don't want this video to go too long, so I'm going to be keeping it the brief. The first way to make money online as a creative person, as an artist, is a print on demand. I have an entire playlist of the print on demand. I'm going to leave them in the card section above. I talk a lot about on my channel about making money via the print on demand route. Simply, it's you're going to place your art and design of different products. That company will going to print your design art on that product and will going to ship and deliver to your customer, and you're going to receive a commission for every product sold. So there are so many different websites: ZAZZLE, Redbubble, Teepublic, Merch by Amazon, Cafe Press. Depending on which one suits best to you, you can go with that. The second route is actually selling the books. Now I'm talking about the ebook, the paperback, and the audiobook. Now personally, I have the experience of selling the books in all these different stuffs. I do sell the ebook, paperback, and audiobook. So as an artist, as a creative person, you can create an art book. It can be a low and no content book. You can create in the form of paperback version, like example for a coloring book or puzzles book. Or if you want a high content book, you want to add content to that, then you can also make as an ebook or a paperback, and you can add the different tutorials on making the artwork or designing and all that stuff. You can also make an audiobook. You can record the audiobook and you can edit them in the software, the Audacity, that's a free software, and then you can publish them. Again, guys, I'm going to leave the entire playlist of the KDP selling the low and no content book in the card section above. Make sure you check it out. Now, this third route to make money online is by selling your illustrations or your work in the form of digital downloads. The great and amazing way is the Creative Fabric and Creative Market. I talk a lot about the Creative Fabrica, so I'm going to leave the entire playlist of the Creative Fabric in the card section above. The platform, you need to get an approval to start selling your work in the form of illustrations, SVG files, or whatever file format you want to sell. If you don't want to get an approval, then probably you can go with the Etsy. Etsy is a place where you can sell without getting an approval. With that being said, the fourth method to make money online is affiliate income. Now, I do make an affiliate income. Affiliate income is basically you refer a product or a service or a company, and when someone actually purchases a service or a product using your link, you're going to receive some percentage commission or for referring that particular customer for that company. It can be you can refer an artist for buying the art products or buying any software or applications or whatever way format. There are so many different affiliate programs out there. The most common one is the Amazon affiliates. The another way to make money online is the YouTube, getting started with the YouTube. Now, recently, I got my channel monetized. I've already made a video talking about that. I'm going to leave that video in the card section above, in which I'm talking about how long it took me and the tips and tricks. YouTube is quite a lucrative job right now, and YouTube can be a serious job and it can be a full-time income for you. But understand that it will going to take some time to get the results to make money. There are so many ways in which you can monetize your YouTube channel. The most of the common ways, the Google AdSense. You're going to see an ad running on your YouTube video and you're going to pay the money by the ads running and how many people click, impressions. Let's talk about the by starting with a digital magazine or a comic book. Now you could also have a physical magazine like a paperback version or a print magazine. You can have an ebook magazine or you can have an audiobook magazine as well, and same is the case for the comic book. You can sell the paperback, you can sell the in the form of the ebook. Now I do have a digital art magazine. That is my first business that I get started back in the March of 2020. I do make money every single month from my digital magazine. The ebook version I do sell, and I also sell the audiobook version, and I make money from both of them. It's a quite amazing way. There are so many software which you can use. Some of them are the Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. If you want to have a beginner friendly, the Canva, Vista Create are beginner friendly. Another way, there's a seventh way to make money online by actually placing your work on the cards and invitations. Now there are so many different kinds of the card, not just the greeting card, the birthday cards, the anniversary cards, the Christmas cards, or the Halloween cards. Of course, there are the different playing cards as well. If you are an illustrator and create beautiful illustrations, you can place your work on the different playing cards. Like if you're creating a plant illustrations, or maybe a cartoon illustrations or illustrations about anything, you can have it on the playing cards, and children loves to play using these playing cards, and you can have your work on these playing cards and you can sell them. Apart from that, you can also sell your work via the invitations, like the custom templates. You can make these custom design templates or invitation templates in the Canva, and you can sell on the Creative Market, Creative Fabrica, or even on the Etsy. And when someone actually purchases, they're gonna get the link of the Canva template, the invitation Canva template, and they can actually edit it. You can also sell the Photoshop invitation templates or Photoshop greeting card or playing card templates, and people can actually use that. And you can have an illustrator as well. Create the business cards. You can create the business card template and you can sell them. You can place your work. For example, if you're creating watercolor illustrations or textures or patterns, you can place them on the business card and you can sell them. The way to make money online is a commission or work. You can do the commissions for a big company, or you can do a commission for the people who are looking forward to get their work done by you. You can create a digital artwork if you're a digital artist and can provide the file to them, or either you can ship and actually deliver to your customer at their address. So commission artwork can be a great way. I have tried my hands on the commission, but I don't do commission right now. The ninth way to make money on original work selling or selling the art prints. You can sell your original work if you're creating a watercolor paintings, acrylic paintings, or oil paintings, whatever it is. You can sell the original work, or either you can create a prints of your work and you can sell the prints. Obviously in the original work you are only selling your work for one time only, and in the prints you can create multiple different prints of your work and you can sell as much as time as you want to. In the original work you can sell your work for thousands of dollars. Art print doesn't cost that much, but again it depends. 10th way to make money online is a social media. Now, there are so many different platforms which are actually giving the creators the money for making the content. There are the TikTok Creator Fund, Instagram Creator Fund, the Pinterest Fund has also started. Depending on how many followers you have, how many views and engagement you have, you can be a creator on these social media platform by making your art tutorials or your process, work in process, or time-lapse videos. The 11th way to make money online, a Patreon or a membership platform. Patreon is such a common way, not just for a creative person. Any person who is providing some value to the people in the online space can have a membership. They can deliver that content each and every single month in exchange of a membership or a subscription fee. It's a great way to make stable income each and every single month. You can get started with a Patreon and then you can pick up membership starting your own website. The 12th way to make money on having your courses, classes, or tutorials. If you are an artist, creative person who loves creating the work and you want to teach them, you can have your art courses, your art classes, workshop, and tutorials, and you can sell them. You can also sell on the marketplaces like the Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera, or either you can sell on your website by actually connecting with the Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi. 13th way to make money online, NFTs or crypto. You can convert your artwork into the NFTs and you can sell the NFTs. If you're creating a digital artwork, then you don't need to actually digitize your work. But if you're creating your traditional artwork, you need to digitize your work, and then you can create an NFT and you can sell on the NFT marketplace, the OpenSea, the foundation, and you can make money via the NFT. This is a new route and this is a great way. And in the future, it will going to likely increase with that. The 14th way is to actually sell your digital template or workbook. There are so many artists who have created a digital workbooks and they're selling them. not just on the Etsy but also on their website. Like if you're having a YouTube channel or a social media account and you have the followers and subscribers who are looking forward to purchase from you, you can create a digital templates, be it a social media template. You can place your artwork on social media templates or the business templates or any kind of template. You can sell them, you make money online with that. 15th way to make money online. 15th way is the animation. If you are an artist, designer, creative person looking forward to create the animations, then you can create the animations in the softwares like the Blender. And there are so many different animation software. Some are 2D, some are 3D, some are multi-dimensional. And you can create these animations, whether it's a short animations in the form of a GIF, or you can create a big animation movies. You can even upload them on a YouTube or sell them directly to the production companies. Make the illustration on a piece of paper. Then you can digitize these illustrations and then you can convert these illustrations into the digital animation videos or digital animation. The 16th way to make money online is by selling your work as a calligrapher or as an illustrator. If you create the illustrations, you can simply sell your illustrations. If you love creating the fonts, you can create the digital fonts and become a calligrapher, and you can sell your work on the Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, Etsy, and Waito, Hungry JPEG, font bundles. There are so many different websites. You can sell your digital fonts. You can sell your work in the form of being an illustrator or calligrapher. The 17th way is by the brand sponsorship. Now the brand sponsorship are so much common nowadays. If you are having a YouTube channel or Instagram or Facebook or TikTok or even a Pinterest account having the amount of followers, you can contact the companies for a brand sponsorship. You can get the sponsorship from the companies who are creating the art products like the art supply. You can get the sponsorship deal from the software or application based companies like the designing softwares, applications. You can actually advertise their product, their service or their company, and you in return you're gonna make money, and you can also get the free product by that. So depending on how many followers, views and engagement and what kind of audience you have, it varies a lot from how much you can expect to make from the brand sponsorship. The 18th way is to have an art shows, art events or conferences. Now nowadays, of course, due to the COVID, many companies, many brands come to the online space. So you can have the online art shows, online art events or conferences. Either way, you can also have an offline art shows, events and conferences, depending on where you live, if your country allow the art shows and events in your place. But these are a great way you can actually showcase your work, showcase the different kinds of work. You can actually have collaborations with their other artists and you can showcase all of their work and have a kind of like an art show and events where people can actually take a look at your work, maybe purchase your work, or maybe actually get the ticket to actually visit your work. So there are so many artists all across the globe who are having their own personalized art shows and events in their own countries, and they are making pretty great amount of money. Of course, you need to invest your money to have your art shows and events organized. If it's an online, then you don't need to have that much of money, but it's an offline, then you need to pay for the space, the decoration, the lighting and everything is there. So you have to do that, but that's a great way. The 19th way to make money online by selling your artwork in the form of the art license to the big companies. There are so many different companies who are looking forward to buy the art licenses from the artists and designers. So you can create your work and you can sell your art licenses to the companies depending on what kind of contract you're signing. Please make sure you read the contract before actually signing and going for that particular art licensing to be safer side and to policies, conditions and everything. So make sure you read the contract before actually signing them and actually selling your art to the as an art licensor to the different companies. The way to make money online, actually sell your party props. Now you would be thinking how to sell the party props. You can create the party props depending on an event and occasion. For example, it's a Christmas, you can create a wall art prints, you can create the different decoration items for a Christmas party, for a Christmas interior decoration. You can also do the interior designing of the home, the office or the event or the conferences. You can sell your work via the form of the wall art pieces. If you're creating the sculptures, then you can create a sculpture for that specific event and you can actually design an entire room, an entire hall or entire space for that event or party and can make money online. This stream is yet to be explored more because right now it's been explored more by the interior designing designers rather than artists and designers. But I think that an artist can also utilize that because without the art, without these sculptures, without the work, the interior designing is empty. And since you are the maker of the work, you are the maker of the clay work, whatever work you're creating, you can actually design an entire room and hall depending for a specific occasion or even conferences, whatever it is. Hopefully you find this video useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Which of the routes by which you are making money as a creative person, as an artist, I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Or are you looking forward to exploring these new ideas or new way? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. I'll gonna see you in the next week's video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.